Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make soup vegetable at home, only way. Begin by selecting fresh, firm vegetables and chopping them uniformly. Sweat onion and garlic in oil until fragrant, then add vegetables and cover with broth or water. Simmer gently until tender, skimming foam and adjusting heat. Finish with salt, pepper, and an acid like lemon to brighten flavors. Taste and serve warm with crusty bread. To deepen flavor, start with a good broth and layer ingredients at the right times for the clearest taste. Toast whole spices briefly if using, then add vegetables and simmer slowly to extract sweetness and body. Reserve delicate herbs for finishing, and consider small umami boosts like soy or miso to enrich the broth without overpowering. Taste often and adjust seasoning as the soup reduces to concentrate flavors. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make storing soup and leftovers spill-free and perfect for portioning lunches. They stack neatly and keep broth safe in your bag. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Manage texture by choosing whether to leave vegetables chunky or partially puree for silkiness. Both work beautifully. If you puree, reserve some pieces for mouthfeel and fold them back in gently. Add delicate greens at the last minute to retain color, and finish with a bright acid and a crunchy garnish for contrast. Serve warm and encourage people to customize with spices, toppings, and bread for dipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.